San Diego recently made the list of the top 50 bed bug cities.
Yes.
Ooh, that already given me chills. Joining us this morning is expert Chad Tyner. He's from, is it EcoClean?
Yes.
EcoClean to help us avoid being bitten by the bed bugs. Chad, good morning. Thanks for being here.
Thank you.
Okay, really, San Diego made the list? There are bed bugs everywhere around here?
Well, so, because this is a highly traveled state. A lot of people coming in internationally, so they're carrying bed bugs, bringing them around, and college kids.
Bed bugs is really, it's really a problem?
Yeah, and a lot of people, because it goes undetected. So they multiply, they can stay within the same colony incestual, so they multiply fast.
Okay, can you see a bed bug?
You can, and that's the only way to actually know if you have it is to find one. But a lot of times people don't even feel when you get bit because they have a numbing agent when they bite you.
And that's how you just, so if you kind of wake up, how would we know if we've been a victim of a bed bug before?
Well, a lot of people after they get bit think they have like a mosquito bite or a spider bite.
Okay.
Because they look a lot like it. And you can get bit and not have a reaction for a week, 2 weeks later.
Okay.
So the best way is if you don't think it's a mosquito bite and you're waking up every day with different bites is to go see a dermatologist or a doctor so they can say if it's a bed bug bite.
Okay, so you brought some things here and places that you can tell us. Let's do this. Maybe you're at home right now and we can try to see if we can detect them.
What we try to let people know is education. The best thing to do is just the first thing all your viewers should do is look. And the best place to look is in crevices of beds because they hide in dark stuff.
Are they like black, brown?
They get to about large as a quarter of an inch, and they're
Okay.
flat and they're brown, especially when they get blood in them. And it's your blood, and they leave stains, just like little blood stains and fecal matter. So what you want to do is lift up the corners of your beds. We lift up the mattresses, look in headboards. They hide anywhere.
Totally visible. We could see it.
Yeah, and but the thing is like you can have 2 or 3 bed bugs, and they can hide in your walls, so they can go undetected. So you really have to do a thorough inspection if you have bed bugs.
Okay, so you check, like when you go to a hotel, then you're gonna like inspect here, right?
Yeah, when that's the best thing to do.
All right,
when you get to a hotel, is look underneath that, look behind the picture frames because they hide behind there.
Okay.
And if you find a bed bug, just leave the room.
Leave
the room.
Okay, what else could you do?
We look for try to educate people on all natural ways. So bed bug encasements you can buy at like Target and places like that. And it puts a plastic layer around so the bed bugs can't get in there and hide.
Oh, I see. Okay.
We also suggest they're called entrapments, and you put them under the post of the beds. So when the bed bug crawls down in it, they can't crawl out. So you contain them to one area. And they usually have like a talcum powder or a baby powder. Okay,
so get some stuck in there.
Right.
And then bed bugs are passed, can they go person, or how does it work?
Yeah, they're called mini hitchhikers. So you can go to a movie theater, you can go to your favorite restaurant. They're creatures of habit just like us. So you can go to a movie, get a bed bug on that seat, and then get in. I'm just thinking
of this right now. So they would hop on you right over there, and then you go somewhere else.
And then you go to someone's house, have a dinner party, and you're
no one's ever invited to my house again. What do you do with your suitcase? Because that's another one that you...
The suitcases are huge, and it's good to have something like an all-natural killer or a spray to spray on your suitcases, vacuuming them up after you travel, and also making sure, and you can put them, when you get to a hotel, put it in the bathtub.
Your suitcase?
Yeah, because bed bugs can't crawl up that porcelain, so until you inspect, put it on that luggage rack or in the bathtub.
So that all-natural stuff, here's one example. This is a EcoClean that will work?
Yeah, it's an all-natural killer that's brought in from Australia, and there's a bunch of different ones, but you want to keep something so it's a contact spray. So if you see a bed bug on your bed, you can, keep it under control. So you just simply lift up, and you go, and you spray along the seams. It kills dust mites. You can spray on top and vacuum them up.
I'm taking it. I need to inspect. For more information on EcoClean and any of the stuff on the bed bugs, foxfightsandiego.com. Click the Scene on tab. Thank you for being here. Really good stuff. No one's allowed to my house. Chrissy, nobody's coming to my house anymore. I am scared. I'm paranoid now. Wait, do you have a bed bug? Does anybody have a bed bug?
Well, I brought some, but I can't find them anymore, so I'm not sure where they went.
What? What'd you say?
There it is.
Don't touch me. That's horrible.